Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox process not found. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox process not found, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps you can click here turn off your Wi-Fi. When you will turn off your Wi-Fi, then you can fix your problem and you can turn on your phone also to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.